Good morning, guys. Have you ever seen a sandstorm before? Here is Saudi sandstorm, and this sandstorms happens once in a year in all Gulf countries. Good thing about it, we don't get sick. We only cough. Okay. But worst thing about it is the cleaning part. You can just imagine the amount of dust that enters inside the house. But it's okay, we are used to it. Anyway, guys, can you survive this kind of storm? Subscribe.